Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to become VIP on your Smule account. Now if you want to become a Smule VIP but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app. So if you have not installed the Smule app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule account, and as you can see, this is the home page of Smule, where you will see various options in the bottom taskbar like feed, explore, songs book, activity and profile. So now to become VIP on a Smule account, you just need to click on the option of profile at the very bottom right and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you just need to log into your account, and from here you just need to select the option which is become VIP at the very top left. So click on the option of become VIP, and there you will see the option of 7 days free, 1 month for a certain amount of price, and 1 year for a certain amount of price. Now you just need to select the option which you think is good for you, and you may also learn more about VIP benefits like unlimited songs, ad-free songs, advanced filter, archived costume profile, and sing live session creation, and all of it. So this is all the advantage which you'll get by becoming the VIP. So you just need to select the option like 7 days, 1 month and 1 year, and you just need to click on it, and from here you just need to pay a certain amount of the price of the Smule app, and you just need to click on the option of subscribe, and after subscribing it you will be able to become a VIP on the Smule app. So that's it, that's how you can become VIP on Smule app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.